Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In this one, I'm going to introduce you to one of the best cloud gaming apps you can find on the Google Play Store. With this app, I can literally play any game that my phone can't handle. You see, my phone is a budget one, so it doesn't have a decent processor. It only has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. But no worries, because today I'm going to play Genshin Impact, which is one of the biggest mobile games out there and requires high specs. To do that, I'm going to open this new cloud gaming app called cloudmoon that just got released on the Play Store. I just finished the login process and now I can access all these games on my phone without even installing them. The only requirement is a good internet connection. Alright, time to open my favorite game now. Alright, our game is all set. Time to head to the settings and see what graphics we're rocking. Oh, it's on low settings. Let's crank it up to the highest and see what kind of magic unfolds. Wow, this is so cool! It's very laggy, but the quality is really good. Wait! This thing is moving on its own. It's totally out of control now. So let's just hit the restart button and start over. Hey guys, I'm in a real mess right now because I'm running out of mobile data. It's almost gone. But hey, let's not worry about that. Let's just go to the game. So our game is all good now, I guess. It's back to being on low quality settings. I'm noticing a slight lag though. Maybe it's because it's peak hours or my network acting up. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep an eye on the FPS and CPU usage right now. Let's get this test started. Yo, FPS is almost stable now and it's not hogging up too much CPU either. Let's teleport to another spot and see how it performs there. It's the same dudes. I'm pretty much getting the same level of performance as before. Even though it's like one of the best cloud gaming options out there, it's got a bunch of problems too. The biggest issue is logging into your account. It's a total pain because you gotta type in your whole username and password using the keyboard. And get this, there's no copy and paste option. So if you're using some hardcore password, you're gonna have a tough time. So here's the deal. You can only play this game for free for 15 minutes a day. After that, it kicks you out automatically. But hey, if you want to keep playing without any limits, you gotta pay up. They've got these fancy premium plans you can check out. Or, if you're looking for a sneaky way to get more free time, stick around till the end of this video and I'll spill the beans. Alright, on to the next issue, the stream quality. Even if you're on a fancy premium plan, you're only gonna get 720p. There are so many performance problems, man. Like, if you try to play during the busiest times, you gotta wait in line because the servers are overloaded. And then there's these annoying random network issues that totally ruin the whole gaming experience. It's like, come on. The developers are busting their butts trying to fix all these problems, but it's gonna take some time. Because it's new, you know? So, don't take this video as a total bummer review, alright? Oops! My bad, I totally forgot to mention that trick to get more free gameplay time. So, here's the deal. You can clone this app using an app cloner and then log into that app with a different Google account. If you happen to be a Samsung or Motorola user, you can even install this app on your secure folder. And hey, if you want a whole video dedicated to showing you how to use the secure folder, just drop a comment and let me know. Feel free to suggest other content ideas too. Alright, that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one. Bye for now.